Get ready for an exciting adventure with Millionaire Ventures Online. Ever thought you could make money by sharing stories you love? Well, now you can. With Amazon Audible, your storytelling can turn into cash. We'll guide you on how to choose stories, record them with simple tools, and make them sound awesome. Plus, learn tricks to get your audiobooks out there and attract listeners. And guess what? You can also earn by sharing audiobooks you adore. Whether you're just starting or you've been telling stories for a while, there's a spot for you to grow your earnings and enjoy the ride. Don't miss this chance. Start your audiobook journey with Millionaire Ventures Online and watch your bank balance soar. Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamed of turning your love for stories into loads of money? Imagine a place where talking about your favorite books or stories can actually fill your pockets. This isn't just make-believe. It's the real adventure waiting for you on Amazon Audible. Welcome to Millionaire Ventures Online, your go-to spot for making magic with digital stories. I'm here to show you how to find treasure in the world of Audible, where every story you tell or share can turn into cash. Let's talk about Jamie, who used to be a librarian and is now making big bucks with audiobooks. Jamie's journey will help us learn how to make our own audiobook hits, get the word out to people, and find smart ways to make more money from them. We'll check out ACX to make your books, learn how to shout about them on social media, and discover secret tips to earn more. Ready for some fun? What kind of storyteller are you? The enchanter, the informer, or the adventurer? Tell us in the comments and let's dive into this money-making adventure. Section 1. Creating your audiobook. Transform your beloved stories into captivating audiobooks with ease. Here's how to create your masterpiece and boost your income. Choose your story. Begin with what you're passionate about. Whether it's a story you've written or collaborating with authors, platforms like ACX connect you to the world of audiobook creation. Reach out and start a rewarding partnership. Set up your home studio. No need for an expensive setup. A quiet space, a quality microphone like the Blue Yeti, headphones, a computer, and Audacity for recording and editing are all you need. This simple setup is perfect for producing professional quality sound. Record and edit. Embrace your role as a narrator. Use clear speech and genuine emotion to bring your story to life. Maintain consistency in your recording environment to ensure quality. Use Audacity to refine your recordings, making them flawless for your audience. YouTube offers plenty of tutorials for beginners. Publish your audiobook. Share your work with the world via ACX. The process is straightforward, from account creation to book upload. Decide on distribution and price to make your audiobook irresistible. What's your favorite genre to narrate? Mystery, comedy, romance? Let us know in the comments. Follow these steps to turn your storytelling into a profitable journey on Amazon Audible. From selecting a story to publishing, you're on your way to becoming an audiobook sensation. Section 2. Marketing your audiobook. Got a masterpiece on your hands but wondering how to get ears buzzing? Fear not. Let's dive into the world of marketing magic, where we turn your audiobook into the talk of the town. It's not just about making noise, it's about making the right noise that cashes in. Craft your brand. Your audiobook isn't just a story, it's a brand waiting to shine. Kick off by setting up shop on social media. Think Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. These aren't just platforms, they're your stage. Share the magic behind your audiobook with behind-the-scenes peeks, juicy snippets, and tales from your journey. Let your personality and your audiobook's character light up your profiles. Build an audience. Now, for the fun part, gathering your crowd. Engagement is your best friend here. Dive into conversations, sprinkle some love on comments, and join groups where your audiobook's theme is the hot topic. Don't just stop there. Create content that feeds the curiosity. blog posts that delve deeper, videos that bring scenes to life, and live Q&As where your listeners get to meet the brain behind the voice. Utilize Audible promotional tools. Audible's got some tricks up its sleeve, too. Those free codes they hand out? Gold dust. Share them with reviewers, blast them out on your social media, or sneak them into your newsletter. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for listeners to find their way to your masterpiece. Seek reviews. Reviews are the applause you want to hear. Gently nudge your listeners to leave their thoughts on Audible. Each review is a badge of honor, making your audiobook a beacon for new listeners. Which marketing move do you think will make your audiobook a star? Social media savvy, content king, promo pro, or review champion? Cast your vote in the comments. Section 3. Earning through affiliate marketing. Want to earn money from your audiobook love, even without writing any? Affiliate marketing with Audible is your answer. Let's see how easy it is to start making cash by sharing the audiobooks you love. Join Audible Affiliate Program. Start by joining Audible's affiliate program through Amazon Associates. It's like joining a special club where everyone loves talking about great audiobooks. Signing up is quick and easy, setting you on the path to earn. Share your affiliate link. Next, share your unique affiliate link where it gets noticed. On social media, in your blog posts about audiobooks, or anytime you talk about Audible. Be real and share stories that touched you, made you laugh, or inspired you. Honest sharing is key to drawing people in. Track your earnings. Watch your earnings through the Amazon Associates dashboard. It shows which shares bring in the cash, helping you know what works best. Adjust your strategy to keep boosting your income. What's your favorite audiobook genre to share? Thrillers, self-help, or fantasy? Drop your answer in the comments. Following these steps not only helps you earn, but also lets you connect with audiobook fans and share the joy of good stories. But wait, there's more. If you're curious about diving deeper into the world of Amazon's earning potential, check out our previous video on Amazon affiliate marketing. We covered everything from selecting your niche to building your financial empire step by step. It's packed with insights that perfectly complement what we've discussed here about Audible. Don't miss out on this treasure trove of tips. Watch it now and take your affiliate marketing skills to the next level with Amazon. Section 4. Expanding your portfolio. Ready to take your audiobook adventure to the next level and stack up those earnings? Once you've dipped your toes into the Audible world, it's time to dive deeper and explore how expanding your portfolio can multiply your treasures. Diversify your offerings. Why stick to one genre? Be adventurous. Mix genres or join forces with other authors. Each new audiobook not only adds variety, but also widens your audience, increasing your income opportunities. Imagine the thrill of releasing a mystery series after a romance hit or venturing into fantasy. Variety keeps your portfolio fresh and engaging. Cross-promote your audiobooks. Use the power of your existing fan base. Announce new releases to loyal listeners, offering bundle deals or series discounts. This strategy transforms one-time listeners into avid collectors of your work, eagerly awaiting your next release like a favorite TV show's new season. Continuous learning. The audiobook scene constantly evolves. Stay on top by engaging with online forums, subscribing to newsletters, and networking with peers. These platforms are treasure troves of the latest production and marketing insights, helping you stay ahead in the game. What's your strategy for growth? New genres, collaborations, or learning more about the industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Adopting these steps doesn't just mean creating more content, It's about strategically building an empire that grows your success and earnings. Let's dive into expanding, learning, and profiting together in the vast world of audiobooks. Well done! You're all set to make money on Amazon Audible with Millionaire Ventures Online guiding you every step of the way. Success is all about action and consistency. Start small, focus on delivering quality, and gradually expand your offerings. Engage with your audience, never stop learning, and adjust your strategies to keep improving. You've got everything you need to turn your love for stories into a profitable journey on Audible. So, why wait? Dive into the world of audiobooks, bring your unique tales to life, and watch as your creative efforts blossom into a lucrative income stream. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button for more insights from Millionaire Ventures Online. Together, let's unlock your potential and celebrate success on Audible.